Okay, so we are going to polish the other side, and we purposely left this side with a lot of bad swirls and just we did a really lousy pre-polish job so that we can show just how good this new polishing step that we developed is working. So we did the other side because there was actually hard water on both sides of this glass. So now we're going to polish this one out. I don't know if you can see, but there are actually scratches from the pre-polish that we did on purpose just to show that our new polishing process is so much more aggressive and so much faster and just works so much better than what we used to use and what everybody else is using out there. So anyway, watch and learn. Notice almost no pressure being applied. Okay, we'll show you. Okay, this type of repair actually holds up well with light overhead. If you were to look up into this repair, you wouldn't see any swirls, whereas pretty much anybody else who says they can do resurfacing, either very slow or if they can do it in a reasonable amount of time, they're going to have swirls all over the place because nothing else is designed to do resurfacing like this. So you can just see that we definitely have a superior way of doing this. Fast, quality, just everything is head and shoulders above any other glass restoration company, service, tools that's out there. So we're still looking for some challengers. Everybody says they can do it as good as us. We're waiting for somebody to accept our challenge and prove it. Everybody seems to be saying they can do all the things that we can do, but yet nobody will accept our challenge to put up or shut up. So we're still waiting, and we're still looking forward to it.